Welcome to the V-Belt Guard Overview video. Protect your workers from exposed pinch points around your V-belt drives. Removable front panels always weigh less than 50 pounds and include weight labels so you know what you are lifting. External bolt flanges on top and bottom of the guard body allow for easy access. Having an enclosed design increases the life of both the belts and the shifts. Bottom drainage slots reduce material buildup. Our guards are custom fit to each application. The sectional design allows for easy installation without removing the shifts. Wedge clamps open and close easily with no loose hardware. Optional black mesh increases the visibility through the guard and allows for inspection without removing the guard. All components are labeled to assist with the assembly and location of the guard. Installation instruction stickers are on the outside of the guard to assist with installation. Adjustable shaft covers move to adjust with the motor when tensioning the belts. Shaft guards are also telescopic when necessary to ensure there is no exposed rotating shafts. Adjustable mounting brackets are provided to mount the V-belt to the existing machinery. Easily reference equipment when performing maintenance tasks with laser cut identification. Optional handles improve ergonomics when removing the guard. Guards feature steel construction with powder coating for increased durability. Please note when using wedge clamps, some regulations require a cable tie and tool to remove the guard.